how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy phones. So whether you have the A series, the S series, M series or J series, just name any of the Samsung phone series you have, and now you want to reset your phone to factory default, then this is what you should do. So if at the end of the day you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, click on settings to open your Samsung phone settings. Scroll down and click on General Management. Scroll down General Management, choose a feature called Reset. Tap on Reset. Now you can back up your data to iCloud temporarily. You can back up to external storage. Now to factory reset your Samsung phone, locate and click on Factory Data Reset. Once you click on that, you want to scroll down after the check-in is complete, like this, and click on Reset. Once you tap Reset, you'll be prompted to type in your Samsung phone password. Tap in your Samsung phone password and then click on Continue. Once you hit the Continue button, you'll be prompted to confirm this activity. You need to enter your PIN or confirm your fingerprint for this to help reset your Samsung phone to factory default. And then you go. So that is basically how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.